Hi, my name is Orla, and for many years my hair has been very fine. Well, it's always been very fine, and I've always had to backcomb it or lots of hairspray to give it volume on the crown for fine, thin hair. So I went online and I found the hair club here in Donnybrook, and was very apprehensive at first, very anxious because I've never done anything like this before. So I just said, right, let's book an appointment. So came in, and yeah, within 10 minutes I found the colour. So the piece that Lana is putting on me now is the Zara number 4, and it's very, very simple. Lana, I should say, sorry, showed me how to put it on and take it off. So as you can see, I'm delighted. So within half an hour, I am thrilled. So I don't know what I was worried about.